MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform also. Make sure you follow me closely. I would like to show you how to use this simple strategy. You may add one or two indicators to it or use it alone if you understand what you are doing. Now to my left hand side here, I have this indicator indicating the direction, and it is not necessary you use all the time frame from monthly to 1 minute. So you can decide to pick any of the time you want, like daily, D1, 4, H4, H1, and 15 minutes. I only trade in that direction. And number 2, we have this indicator also at the indicator window, trade friend. Most of the arrows are up and it is green. It is advisable that you only take buy trade. Nearly all the time frame are gray, so it is advisable that you take only buy trade on this particular PS. This is Euro USD 15 minutes. And another thing you have to look out for is this gray arrow here for buy. You only take buy when you see this gray arrow, and take sell when you see this red arrow. Depends on what the other indicators are giving us. If they are giving us buy, most of these are gray, then you only take buy. If they are red, you only take sell. And this is how to use this particular indicator. And make sure you check Forex Factory before you take any trade. It is simple. You can analyze it, and make sure you stay away from news either 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after. The download link for this particular indicator is in the video description, and the template, so that we just load it and use it directly. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.